So last night, after you went to bed,
What?
Daddy and I were really excited about your Halloween candy,
What?
and we ate it all.
I didn't.
Yeah,
No, you didn't.
and Grandma and Grandpa too, because they were here. Yeah, I'm really sorry, Everett. I'm really sorry.
Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't.
All that's left is a bag of M&Ms. I'm sorry, bud. Will you forgive me?
Let me see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought there was only a bag of M&Ms.
Oh, Daddy must have eaten them this morning. I'm really sorry.
Why they were eating all of them?
Because they were really yummy.
I didn't want anyone to eat them. I was gonna eat.
I'm sorry. Will you forgive me?
I can't, but I wanted.
Hey, Everett. I'm just joking.
What?
I'm just joking.
What are they? What are they?
Oh.
In there?
Yeah.
You're joking!
That's all yours, bud. Nobody touched it. Not right now.
I want one.
After that, I suppose you deserve one, right?